Welcome everyone to HFN. Today is December the 3rd, 2019. Here to give you all the news according to the charts. We're going to update you on the price of Bitcoin and the expectations that we are noticing in the market for Bitcoin. As you all can tell, it hasn't gone according to what we expected ever since our last video on Bitcoin. The market has simply moved to the downside. We're going to talk about that, but before I do, I always want to remind each and every one of you, you guys appreciate the simplistic form of how we are able to give you our price forecast. Hit that subscribe button, like and share the video. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, wherever we may be. You definitely want to make sure that you're there because we are delivering all the news in the simplistic form of where we expect these cryptocurrencies to go in the market. So here we are. Let's talk about what the market did in Bitcoin following our price forecast right here from the 29th of November. Now, we were looking for the market in Bitcoin to continue to see higher prices, and obviously it has not played out that way. It has literally continued to move lower. Plain and simple, easy to see. And right here on the 3rd of November was your indication that the market overall in Bitcoin wasn't that strong, but there was still a chance on the 30th of November that the market in Bitcoin could have moved higher. So we would have kept this particular forecast ongoing in the market in Bitcoin at least until the 1st of December, right? And the market in Bitcoin on that particular day closed right there at 4.38%. At the low end of the market, it would have been about 7.1, okay? So that particular day is when we would have got out that particular forecast and would have known that the market in Bitcoin wasn't trending that strong. So it would have been about 4.38% loss for us in that particular forecast. And now what we're going to do, we're going to get rid of it. And I want to start out in the market in Bitcoin, looking at on the monthly time frame to show you how the month of November concluded. And this is nothing but weakness. I'm going to be real with you. I'm going to tell you the truth as to what the price chart is showing us. And this is nothing but weakness that is being revealed on the monthly time frame. So Bitcoin is still weak. I'm still eyeing the market in Bitcoin to try to find at least try to create a support area at that $6,000 price, okay? So I'm still expecting the market in Bitcoin to continue to dip a little bit lower, definitely around that $6,000 location, and then we have to reevaluate the market in Bitcoin at that price to determine if we're going to continue to move lower. But given the last couple of months in Bitcoin, definitely it doesn't look like 6,000 is going to be a placeholder in the market for Bitcoin to find support. But we just got to wait and see until we get there. So long term, I'm still looking weak in the market in Bitcoin as to expectation that they continue to see lower prices. And looking at Bitcoin right here on the weekly time frame, I mean, yes, we did see the market in Bitcoin move higher, but we wasn't able to capitalize on the market in Bitcoin, closing on the high of last week and then closing above $8,000. So again, even on the weekly time frame, the market in Bitcoin is not giving us a lot of strength in the market, okay? Daily time frame, weakness once again, 5 consecutive days in the market in Bitcoin that we've seen this particular cryptocurrency close lower than the previous day. And here we are looking at the 4-hour chart in Bitcoin, and the weakness is definitely apparent. I'm not seeing a lot of indications of strength coming to the market, but I want to preface what I'm saying on the 4-hour bars because this area literally is a consolidational range. So yes, the market in Bitcoin is weak, but it is really holding a consolidational trading range. And I would have loved to see the market in Bitcoin trade above that ascending line right here, okay? And you can see that the market in Bitcoin bounced on that 4-hour bar, and then it broke below this. And then it tried to break above it again. So again, this market in Bitcoin is severely weak. We're going to play this one on our forecast in the market in Bitcoin to continue to see some lower prices. So that is going to be our forecast. We're going to play this on the 4-hour chart because like I said, the market in Bitcoin is really consolidating in a bigger area. And we know that $7,400 is resistance because the market on plenty 4-hour bars cannot break above it. So we have to overcome that particular area first before we actually see the market in Bitcoin see higher prices. Now, we would TP the market in Bitcoin. Naturally, I would say around 71.50. I'm sorry, 71.35. So I would say $7,025, give or take, right around that particular price level is where we'll TP the market. Okay, so it looked like $7,040 is where we'll TP the market. $7,040 is where we would TP the market in Bitcoin in order to find that strength to enter the market, because if it does, it's going to be at that particular price level. Okay, and that will be 1.43% profit into the market in that particular forecast. But overall, this is where we're looking at into the market in Bitcoin. 4-hour chart is where we're going to play this at. So when you look at this video, make sure you're looking at this on the 4-hour chart as well. And then, like I said, just a recap, monthly time frame is looking real weak in Bitcoin. Weekly time frame is still confirming the weakness as well. So quite naturally, we have to go with the price chart, and it is telling us that Bitcoin is not that strong. Questions, comments, let us know with the comment in the comment section of this video. And as always, make sure you always maintain your profitability, and I will see you on the next one.